In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok app isn't opening on your iPhone or iPad. So here's how to fix it. First, you need to try updating the TikTok application. So open your App Store, click on the search bar and search for TikTok application. And once you find it, select it. And if you see an update, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And after updating, try opening TikTok again. If this still does not fix your issue, go ahead and open your settings application, then go to general and select iPad storage. Then scroll down, select TikTok, and here select upload application. This will remove the app but keep your data and login information. And once uploaded, tap on reinstall application. And after reinstallation, try opening TikTok again. If that still does not work, you can try logging out of your TikTok account and log back in. Otherwise, you can also tap and hold onto the TikTok application and then uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the App Store. If the if these steps do not work, try restarting your phone. Then try opening the TikTok again and see if that fixes the problem. One of the solutions should be able to help you with the TikTok not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.